Crypto.com is one of the most popular apps in the crypto space. But before you dive in and start buying, there are a few important things you should know. Today, we're covering the 12 things you need to know before investing in Crypto.com and how it compares to its competitors. First off, Crypto.com offers a broad range of features. You can buy, sell, and store a variety of cryptocurrencies. Plus, they offer a prepaid debit card that lets you earn rewards and spend your crypto in real life. While apps like Coinbase focus primarily on transactions, Crypto.com brings in extra features that may appeal to those looking to get more out of their crypto portfolio. Next thing, fees. When buying or trading crypto, fees can quickly eat into your profits. Crypto.com's fees are lower compared to many competitors, like Binance, but they can still add up depending on the method you use to fund your account. Keep in mind, if you're funding with a credit card, Crypto.com charges up to 3.5% in fees, which is something to consider if you're planning to buy frequently. The third thing, security. Crypto.com takes security seriously, offering two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage, and insurance for digital assets. But if you're comparing it to competitors like Gemini or Kraken, it's worth noting that those platforms may offer more insurance protection, which could be important for larger holdings. Next thing, staking. One of the standout features of Crypto.com is its staking program, allowing you to earn rewards by holding certain cryptocurrencies. It's one of the highest paying staking programs on the market, but it's not the easiest to understand at first. You'll need to lock in your coins for a certain amount of time to earn the rewards, and there are different tiers based on how much you stake. The fifth thing, the app's user interface. Crypto.com has an intuitive app that makes it easy to buy and sell, but compared to other apps like Kraken or BlockFi, some users may find the interface a bit overwhelming, especially with all the features packed into one platform. Next thing, Crypto.com also has its own token, CRO, which can be used to reduce fees and unlock special rewards within the app. Holding CRO tokens can offer perks, but keep in mind that the value of these tokens is volatile, which might not appeal to those looking for a more stable platform. The seventh thing, global reach. Unlike some competitors, Crypto.com is available in over 90 countries, giving it an edge over apps like Robinhood, which is limited to the US market. This makes it a great option for international crypto users, though not all features are available everywhere. Next up, the card rewards. Crypto.com's prepaid Visa card is one of its standout features, offering cashback in the form of crypto. Depending on the tier of card you choose, you can earn anywhere from 1% to 8% cashback on purchases. However, this feature is often more beneficial for those who plan to spend a lot of money using the card, so if you're not big on spending your crypto, it might not be for you. The ninth thing, liquidity. Crypto.com has an impressive liquidity, especially when compared to platforms like KuCoin or Bitfinex. This means you'll be able to buy and sell assets at competitive prices. However, if you're looking for more niche or smaller coins, you might have to look elsewhere. Next thing, educational tools. Crypto.com has a solid range of educational resources, including articles, videos, and even a learning platform called Earn Crypto. This is great for beginners, but it's not as extensive as what you'll find on platforms like eToro, which offers live webinars and more in-depth resources. The 11th thing, customer support. Crypto.com has 24/7 customer service, but user reviews often point out long response times. For faster support, platforms like Binance and Gemini might have the upper hand with better rated customer support experiences. And finally, the reward system. Crypto.com offers various bonuses like sign-up rewards, referral bonuses, and special promotions. While it's great for getting started, the rewards might not always be as lucrative as what's available with competitors like BlockFi. So, is Crypto.com a good option? Absolutely. It's packed with features, from staking to cards and educational tools, and it's a strong choice for anyone looking to dive into the crypto space. But if you're looking for something with more simplicity, lower fees,